They say after a nuclear holocaust, all that's going to be left is cockroaches and Twinkies. What a horrible world. Eventually you get so sick of eating Twinkies, you'd start eating cockroaches. I don't know what it is about surviving Armageddon, but everyone who does starts wearing a lot of earth tones and dark denim. They wander the entire earth with a dog, without a leash, that stays by him. I have a bad end of the world dog. If I tried walking my dog to the end of my street, she'd be gone. She'd have a whole new life somewhere cold and wet. The rest of the movie would be me just worrying about her, hanging up flyers, not even participating in the plotline. Like, no, I get your fort made out of school buses and industrial cranes being invaded by raiders for your gas leak, but have you seen my Cindy? She's a cocker spaniel with little mix. She likes eating Twinkies and cockroaches. Owning a pet is so much responsibility, you guys. It's so much responsibility. Every day I drive home thinking, I hope they didn't get shit on the carpet again. And then that quickly turns into, oh my god, I hope he's not dead. It's not like a kid. You can't call and check in. You're stuck there with your own thoughts. Going through the stage of grief and traffic, bargaining. Please let there be shit all over the carpet if it means I can see my happy face once more. And by the time I get home, I've already reached the final stage, acceptance. I walk through the door and there she is, all happy to see me, but there's shit all over the carpet. I'm glad I've already known your loss. Because I'm going to kill you now. Did I leave the pantry door open? I just My friend has an 80-pound bull mastiff. If you have a dog that big, it's a roommate at that point. You drive home thinking, I hope he's not fucking my wife. One day he came through the door, all pissed. His wife was on the couch with the dog. I was like, what's this? Just watching Schuyler Neal, chill out. Yeah. Oh, okay. Goes to the kitchen, sees a peanut butter jar and the garbage is like clean. Confronts her. She's like, what can I say? I had a lot of peanut butter and jelly sandwiches today. Relax, babe. Come watch TV. And while you're up, give me a drink. Opens the fridge. Unopened jar of jelly. What do you do? Rub his nose in it? Well, he did. She's like, no, you can't be mad at him for this. It was earlier today. He doesn't understand why you're angry. Thank you for listening, guys.
Snowflakes dance with rose petals above the ocean, where they touch the surface in little candle flame. Deep beneath the waves, fortune frost, the cold has never left our hearts. My father was a sailor.